Okay, problem. Two bodies A and B of mass 80 kg and 20 kg are connected by a thread and move along a rough horizontal plane under the action of force 400 Newton applied to the first body of mass 80 kg as shown in figure. The coefficient of friction between the sliding surface of the body and the plane is 0.3. Determine the acceleration of the two bodies and the tension in the thread using D Alembert principle. So first of all, you have to draw the free body diagram for body A. Okay, and this free body diagram of body A. So first weight of this block is acted in downward direction. Okay. It is mass, it is 80 kg, it is given. That is means weight it will be 80 into 9.81. 80 into 9.81. Get weight. So 80 into 9.81, it will be 784.8 Newton. Okay, 784.8 Newton. This one it is weight. Then this body it is contacted to the rough horizontal surface. Here it is contacted. So just remove this contacted surface and draw the normal reaction, that is RA, normal reaction RA. Okay. So this body it is moving towards the right side because of this force. Sorry, it is moving towards the left side because of this force 400 Newton it is acted. 400 Newton it is acted towards the left side. 400 Newton. Okay. This force it is acted 400 Newton towards the left. Okay. Then this body it is connected, body A and B it is connected by thread. Okay. So that thread it is created tension force. Okay. That is T tension. That is T tension. Okay. So friction force it is acted opposite direction of motion of the body. The body it is moving towards the left side, means friction force towards the right side. So this friction force that is Fr is equal to mu Rn. Mu Rn. Okay. That is mu it is given 0.3. Okay. That is mu it is given 0.3 into Rn. Rn. Okay. Then this body it is moving towards the left side. That is means D Alembert says that it is acted opposite direction of motion. Okay. Acted opposite direction of motion. That is mass into acceleration. This one it is as per the D Alembert principle. Mass into acceleration. It is acted opposite direction of acceleration of the body or opposite direction of applied force. Okay. The opposite direction of applied force it is mass into acceleration. The applied force it is towards the left side. So D Alembert principle as per mass into acceleration towards the right side. Okay. So now you have to apply the condition of equilibrium. First it is summation Fy is equal to 0. Is sum of all vertical forces. Summation Fy is equal to 0. Summation Fy is equal to 0. Okay. For that, the direction of force it is upward. Now to take positive. Upward, it will be positive. Then for downward, it will be negative. Okay. So there are two forces it is acted vertically forces. One it is RNA, it is upward. Then 784.8 Newton it is downward direction. So RNA minus 784.8 is equal to 0. So RNA is equal to it is 784.8 Newton. So it is RNA. Normal reaction that is 784.8 Newton. Okay. The next one, therefore apply summation fx is equal to 0. Okay, sum of all horizontal forces, summation fx is equal to 0. For that, the direction of force right side, take first. Direction of force right side will be positive. The direction of force left side will be negative. Left side will be negative. Okay. See here which are the forces acted in horizontal direction. First, it is 400 Newton. It is towards the left side. That means negative. So T it is towards the right side. So it is positive. So friction force it is towards the right side. So this one it is also positive. So mass into acceleration it is also towards the right side. So this one it is also positive. So 400 it is negative minus 400. Then tension it is right side. So it is positive. Then friction force it is towards the right side. So it is also positive. So 0.3 into RNA. 0.3 into RNA. Then next one, mass into acceleration. So it is also towards the right side. Plus mass into acceleration. Mass into x is equal to G. Okay. So RNA we are calculated minus 400 plus T plus 0.3 into RNA normal reaction 784.8 10 plus mass it is 80 into A. 80 into A. 80 into A is equal to G. Okay. So minus 400 plus 0.3 into 784.8. This one it is minus 164.56 plus T and plus 80 into A. 80 into A is equal to G. Okay. Final equation it will get T is equal to, right? T is equal to, so 164.56, take it is right side, so it will be positive 164.56. Then 80 into 8 will be take right side, it will be negative, minus 80A. Okay. Right on this one it is equation number 1. This one is equation number 1. Now we have to draw the free body diagram for block B. This will be block. Okay. So a video of block B. Video of block B. Video of block B. So block B. Video of block B. So weight of this block it is 20 kg. Sorry, mass of block it is 20 kg. So weight it will be 20 into 9.81. So it will be 20 into 9.81 is equal to 20 into 9.81. It will be 196.2. 196.2 Newton. Okay. Then it is contacted here. So it is contacted here. Just remove this contacted surface and draw the normal reaction. That is RMB. So that is RMB. Okay. Then this block, this thread, it is connected to the block B and A. Okay. So just remove this and draw the tension to be created in the thread, that is T. This is T. T. Then next one, this body is moving towards the left side, means friction force towards the right side. Again, this one it is Fr is equal to friction force. Fr is equal to mu into Rn. Rn. It is mu will be 0.3 Rn. 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 Okay. 0.3 Rn. So now D Alembert principle. So force it is acted towards the left side. D Alembert will be towards the right side. Okay. Mass into acceleration. Okay. Again, you have to apply first equation, that is summation Fy is equal to 0 on vertical forces. Summation Fy is equal to 0. Okay. So if the direction of force it is upward, you have to take positive. The direction of force downward will be negative. Downward, it will be negative. Okay. Then summation Fy is equal to, that is 0. So that is which are the forces in y direction? R and B, it is upward, and 196.2 it is down. So R and B it is upward, it is positive. Then minus 196.2 is down. So that's why it is minus. So R and B is equal to, okay, R and B is equal to 196.2 Newton. Okay, that is R and B. Now you have to apply second equilibrium function, that is summation Fx is equal to 0. Summation Fx is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Okay. So for that, the direction of force right side will be positive. Direction of force right side will be positive. The direction of force left side it will be negative. The direction of force left side will be negative. Okay. Now check which are the forces acted in x direction. Okay. So T it is left side. Then mu R and B it is right side. It is positive. Mass into acceleration it is also right side. Okay. And T it is left side. So minus T. Then 0.3 RNB. 0.3 RNB it is right side. So it will be positive. Then plus mass into acceleration it will be right side. So it will be positive. Equal to 0. So these three forces acted in horizontal direction for block B. Okay. So minus T plus 0.3 RNB it is 196.2. Then mass into acceleration. And mass it will be 20 kg into acceleration is equal to 0. So T is equal to, take T it is left side. It will get positive. 0.3 into 196.4. 0.3 into 196.4. So it will be 58.86 plus 20 into 8. 20 into 8 is equal to plus 20 into 8. This one it is equation number 4. So equation 1 and equation 1 it is T is equal to 164.56 minus 80. And equation number 2 it is T is equal to 58.86 plus 20. So equate equation 1 and 2. Equation number 2. Wait, wait. Equation 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So equation 1 it is 164.56 minus 88. Okay. We have to take only right part. Then equation number 2, 58.86, 58.86 plus 28. 28. So we have to take 8 terms one side and without 8 terms one side. First without 8 terms, 164.56. 164.56. So I will take left side without 8 terms. So 164.56 minus 58.8. So this 58.86 you have to take left. So it will be plus to minus. That is 105.7 is equal to, now 8 terms you have to take right side. It is 28. So this minus 88, then it will go to right side. So it will be plus 20 plus 80. That is 100. 100. Yeah. So A is equal to, till get from this relation. A is equal to A is equal to 105.7 divided by 100. Divided by 100. So it will be 1.057 meter per second square. Meter per second square. This one it is acceleration. Okay. This one it is acceleration. Question: determine the acceleration of the two bodies. The acceleration of the two bodies is 1.057 meter per second square. So second, tension in the thread. We have to put this A value in equation 1 or 2. This in equation 1 or 2. Okay. So I will put in equation number 1. It is equation number 1. Equation number 1 is T is equal to 164.56 minus 88. 88. So 8 is here 1.057. Okay. Tension in the thread is equal to 164.56 minus 80 into 80 to 8 is 1.057. It will get E is equal to 18. E is equal to 18 Newton. Tension in the thread it is 18 Newton. But his question was determine the acceleration of the two bodies. Determine the acceleration of the two bodies. So acceleration of the two bodies is 1.057 meter per second square. And tension in the thread. So tension in the thread it is 18 Newton. Okay. This is the final answer.